As the Village Board continues its comprehensive review of Oak Park's wide array of parking rules and regulations, the focus will shift next to standardizing overnight permit times and identifying potential new spaces. This latest in the series of Village Board parking discussions will examine current restrictions on two of the village's most traveled daytime commuter routes, Austin Boulevard and Harlem Avenue north of Division Street, the only Oak Park section of Harlem where the state allows on-street parking. These two sections of the village share similar traffic patterns, but differ greatly in parking demand and regulations. Austin Boulevard is among the largest and most in-demand overnight parking zones in Oak Park. Long-established zones along Austin provide overnight parking for residents of the many multifamily buildings along the entire length of the boulevard, from North Avenue to Roosevelt Road. Parking on Austin Boulevard also is prohibited from 7 to 9 a.m. and 4 to 6 p.m. to facilitate rush hour traffic flow. On Harlem Avenue, also a busy daytime commuter route, overnight parking has never been in demand along Oak Park's northernmost section. The only parking restrictions here are the standard overnight ban and snow emergency rules. Officials say comparing these two high traffic routes could offer insight into how regulations, or lack of them, could help simplify parking rules on other village streets. As the Village Board considers regulation changes, public comments are welcome, especially from those who live, work, and do business on or near either Austin Boulevard or Harlem Avenue.